This is a demo of the Tascam 388. I have recorded a multitrack which is available on the Telefunken website. This is a song by Mikaela Davis called Home in the Country. And this should give us an idea of what this machine sounds like. So first I'll play you just some tape noise. There's a low frequency whooshing sound, and that's because this tape has been erased with a bulk eraser, so that's not from the machine itself. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, and 7 and 8.
Hi, we are Mikaela Davis and Southern Star here at Telefunken Soundstage, and this song is called Home in the Country.
Here's a drum kit. Push up the lows a little bit. So far, this is completely unprocessed, just raw instruments. Here's bass, vocals.
Still seems so hard to find the only words to say.
And there you go.